Hi guys, it's Shakshi Shetty and welcome to my channel. So on my today's video, I'm going to be closing the gap which is there between my teeth, between my middle teeth. Now I have consulted a lot of doctors and been through met a couple of dentists, but most of them have suggested me braces and transparent braces and all of those things. Now I did not want to go through braces and the whole 2-year procedure, so I was looking for something which is going to be instant and also solve my problem. So I think I have found it. I'm going to that clinic now, and that it's a procedure which is affordable and also quick. So it's gonna so the doctor is gonna shut the gap between my teeth. So I'll try to vlog inside as much as I can. I don't know if I'll be allowed to, but either ways I'll give you all a full 100% information, so don't worry about that. Hi guys, I'm back and I'll show all my teeth. I'll just zoom in on that. So if you noticed, the gap is obviously gone. Now I'll tell you all about the treatment. Obviously I couldn't shoot it inside because I don't think it was allowed. So either ways it's okay. I'll tell you all the details. I'll tell you all everything. How much time does it take? What does it cost? And of course where the place is. Everything you need to know. So this kind of treatment is called ceramic filling. So this is where they fill in the gaps between your teeth through the ceramic material, and they fill it in and they literally merge it with your original teeth through a little bit of carving and shaping and all of that, and then they literally merge it with your original teeth. It looks completely natural, like y'all can see now. It doesn't really look like there's something which is there, and it stays. There were 2 teeth for me, the center 2, so she had to merge them and clear the gap. So this for me, the time taken for this was somewhere around an hour, 1 hour to 1.5 hours, somewhere around that time. So per teeth costs ₹1,000. The place where I went, 1 tooth cost ₹1,000. It was 2 teeth for me, the front 2. So overall my treatment cost me ₹2,000, which is so much better and cheaper and so much faster than getting braces. At one point I thought I have to get braces done. It's kind of a pain to wear braces, hang on to them for a year or 2 and then wait patiently for the gaps to fill in. So I think this overall did a very good job. Super cheap. 2,000 rupees for this is a really good deal, and the gaps are also gone, like y'all can see, and you can eat whatever you want immediately after treatment itself. That's what the dentist told me. I have to go again tomorrow, so tomorrow is going to be my final polishing. Tomorrow is going to be the last step to the entire procedure, which is a polishing, and that's it, and my treatment is done. I didn't know about this until one friend of mine mentioned, and I actually went ahead, found out about it. So I thought this video will help many of you guys who have this issue like me, gap issue, and you can just get it fixed within hours. Way cheaper than getting braces, not time consuming at all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you have any doubts. I'll totally answer them for you. And like this video, share it with your friends for whom this might be helpful. And I will leave all the details of the clinic where I visited down in the description box below. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.